Hello guys, this is day number 6 since EtherChain launched, and this is my update on EtherChain. Actually, I've not yet. I didn't give you all the previous updates. I didn't record them. I'm going to start with this one. So this is the number 6 update on EtherChain, an EtherSmart wallet contract. Now, as you know, most of you guys are already in. This is fully decentralized, and this is my back office. This is my wallet address where my withdrawals go, and these are the packages from which you can choose from. Those who are not already in, for example, here you can choose. You can start from 0.1. So for example, if you can press 0.1, it will bring that. For other subsequent additionals, you can just click on it as it increases, like that. If you're not satisfied with it, you can reset it. It goes back to 0, or you can pick all the other packages from here. You can begin with 5A, or if you want to add on it like maybe 6, you just press here. It adds on like that. So that's how we add on the packages. Then after you click on join, it will redirect you to your wallet where you will complete the payment from. So this is the smart contract info. It's the smart contract address. Actually, you can also view it on EtherScan. Let us do that. This is it. As you saw, it was 0x558. 0x558. This is it. It has got over 5,980 transactions. These ones are pending, but I think they will go through. So that's that. Let us look at all the transactions and see. It is a very busy smart contract. As you can see, people are investing. This one has got 10 ETH, 0.1, 0.5. So that's that. Let us go back. So the smart wallet balance is 2,602 ETH. In just 6 days, this is what has been collected, and it is too much. The amount of withdrawn by members is 246, meaning that it has paid over 246 ETH to its members. The daily amount in the daily pool, it is 104 ETH. Maximum volume of ETH from top referrals, so it is 69 ETH. So these guys are working very hard. They have brought in members who have invested over 60 ETH. If I go to my personal statistics, the net income countdown, now in 6 hours time, this when you invest, this counter goes down. So as you can see it here, it is going down. So in 6 hours, I'll be able to get my payment, the daily passive income of 1% per day. The 310 income limit remaining is 0.18. Remember, it is supposed to be 310%. So I started slow here. I invested just 0.1 ETH, and the 310% of that will give you, it was giving me 0.31 ETH. So I happen to withdraw 0.123 ETH. I withdraw this one. That's why you see that this one reduced. Maybe we can check on the calculator and see that. So it was 0.31 ETH. That is the 310% that I'm supposed to get. If I subtract what I got, 0.1231, 0.1231. You see what I'm getting? It is this one. So this is what is remaining on my 310%. As you can see, the daily income percentage, these are the 4 days I withdrew. I withdrew on day 1 actually. I withdrew. That's why this one is referral, direct referral income. I've managed to bring in some members and they have earned me 0.1 ETH, 0.13 ETH. Remember, all these bonuses and referral income, they all contribute to the 310%. That's why you see that I'm going to achieve the 310% in just 5 days. Actually, when this payment is made today and all the bonuses that I'm supposed to get today, if they are paid, I'm going to achieve the 310%, meaning that I have to put in another deposit so that I can earn more. The matching bonus 0.03. This one is coming from my team members, the referrals of my team members, and the top sponsor. I'm not a top sponsor, so that's why I'm having 0 here. This is the income withdrawn to the wallet, as I showed you in the calculator there. I've so far withdrawn this, and unwithdrawn income is 0.1640 ETH. So I'll withdraw when I get the earnings for today, and I'll reinvest back so that I can earn more. So that's my personal statistics. And you see, if you want to earn passively without recruiting anyone, you still get only the 1% income daily. That makes 30% a month, or 60% in 2 months. So those who want to build members, remember referrals can boost your earnings. That's why I'm going to be able to achieve the 310% in just 5 days. So that's it. This is my organization. My referral link is this. I've personally invited in members. They are 16, and total number in my team is 25. So that's it, guys. I've achieved the 310% in just 5 days. Some people achieved it in day 1, some people in day 2. So that's my statistics. I'm going to leave my link in the description of this video. Those who want to join, you can join, and I'm going to also leave some tutorials below it so that you can help you get started. So that's it, guys. Thanks. See you in another video.